What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
The Candy Kingdom.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, a book of fairy tales.
Ooh, let's go to Candy Kingdom and be part of our own fairy tale.
Sweet! Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate leapt right into Candy Kingdom, the sweetest place you could ever imagine. Only something was wrong.
Please help me.
Look, up there.
What's wrong, fair maiden?
I'm being held prisoner by the evil witch, and when she gets back, she's going to turn me into a frog.
Don't worry, we'll save you.
Kit, let's find the door.
You go that way.
Ow! I didn't see any door.
Me neither. Then how can we rescue the maiden?
Wait right here. Let's toss one end of this licorice vine up to the maiden. Then she can climb down.
Good thinking.
Oh, it's not long enough.
You stay here. I'll find something else. I can use this candy cane like a pole and jump into the window.
Great idea. But how will you two get back down?
Bad idea.
Fair maiden, what do you have in your tower?
Well, I have lots of marshmallows.
Perfect. Throw some down.
What are we gonna do with marshmallows?
We can stack them to make stairs.
Stairs! I love it!
Down below!
Hey!
Fair maiden, we need more! What are we gonna do? We've tried everything. This is terrible.
It's worse than terrible. Here comes the witch.
Well, hello, fair maiden. Sorry I'm so late getting back. We'd better get hopping.
Oh, no.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Why are you so sad, kitties?
We couldn't save the fair maiden.
Now she's a frog.
Why couldn't you save her?
We tried using everything we could find, but nothing worked.
Yeah, the licorice vine was too short.
And we would have gotten stuck up there if we used the candy cane like a pole.
And a big bird ate our marshmallow stairs.
See? We tried everything.
It sounds to me like you tried everything one way.
What do you mean?
Wait, I get it. If we can think of different ways to use what we have, maybe we can find an answer.
Yeah, and I already have a great idea.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
I think so.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's hurry, Kate. We've got a maiden to save. Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their adventure all over again. But this time, they tried using what they had in a much more creative way.
Don't worry, we'll save you.
Go ahead. Tie the vine to the stick.
Right.
What are you two fishing for?
You'll see. Now we need a marshmallow.
I've got some up here.
Then throw one down, quick.
Okay, Kate. Follow me.
Here he comes.
Here, birdie, birdie.
It's working.
Jump on, Kate. Climb aboard, fair maiden. Your carriage has arrived.
You really saved me. Oh, you two kittens are the sweetest.
Aw, shucks.
And Kit and Kate flew the fair maiden back to her castle, where she lived happily ever after.
Where will we go? Who will we be? What What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
The Treasure of Parrot Point.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, pirate hats.
And a treasure map. Let's hunt for buried pirate treasure.
Yeah, filled with sparkling jewels and gold coins.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magic box and set sail in search of buried treasure.
Next stop, Parrot Point.
Kit, if it's a buried treasure, how are we gonna dig it up?
What? Kitties need a shovel?
Yeah, that's just what we need.
What? On the rack?
Look, that's just like the big, strong shovel Dad uses to dig holes in the garden.
What? Strong shovel?
Yeah, but look at these. They're so much prettier.
What? Pretty shovel?
We'll look great digging treasure with these.
Yeah, they look so pretty with our hats.
Now we look like real pirates.
What? Silly pirates. What? All ashore.
Kit and Kate arrived at Parrot Point and looked at their map to find where they needed to dig.
The treasure map says to look under the tallest tree.
Is that the tallest?
Or that.
Neither. That's the tallest. Now the map says we need to dig next to Triangle Rock.
There, a triangle. All right, fancy pirate, dig. Ready or not, treasure, here we come.
Aye, no treasure can hide from the lights of us.
My pretty shovel, it broke.
Mine too. Arrgh. All right then, matey, we'll have to dig with the handles.
This isn't working.
These shovels are terrible. We're never gonna dig up that treasure. Arrgh!
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, pirates?
We wanted to dig up buried treasure.
Did you have a map and tools?
Yeah.
Then what was the problem?
Our tools broke.
I never saw a good metal shovel do that.
These aren't metal.
We took the pretty gold ones.
Ah, maybe they're pretty, but they're not strong enough for digging up buried treasure. These are just for hanging on the wall like a decoration.
But they look like gold.
And they look so pretty with our hats.
Yeah. Did you come here to look pretty or to dig up buried treasure?
To dig up buried treasure.
But those shovels look so much prettier than the metal ones. Hey, I get it. If you've got a job you really want to do,
You need to know your tools are good for the job.
and not just good looking.
Now that's hard to argue with.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kit. But this time we'll pick the right tool for the job.
You bet we will, matey.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their treasure hunt all over again. But this time when they picked their tools,
Not this thin, pretty one. It'll break.
Yeah, it's pretty, but we need something strong, and this one sure isn't.
Here we go. Good, strong iron. Just like Dad uses.
and with real working tools, Kit and Kate dug up that treasure in no time.
The treasure of Parrot Point. Wow!
Our shovels worked! Yay!
They sure did, Kate. From now on, I'll always pick the right tool for the job, not just the prettiest one.
Me too, matey.
Arr!
And by using the right tools, Kit and Kate discovered the treasure and the lesson they'd treasure forever.